Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take off your gel polish. You are going to need some acetone, you're going to need something to scrape the gel polish off with, and you're going to need a glass bowl. Acetone is super strong and will eat through most materials, so make sure that you have a glass bowl and that your work area is protected. I have ruined my wood dining room table with acetone, so just be careful. I'm going to pour a little bit in the bowl. I'm just going to do one hand at a time, so I don't need very much. I know some people will heat it up in the microwave for a couple seconds to warm it up so that it can soak off a little bit easier, but if you do that, make sure that you don't heat it up for very long because it can get really hot. I'm just going to put my nails face down in the bowl and let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I put down a paper towel so that I would get all of this trash on the paper towel, and then I tried to get a little closer to the camera so it's going all over my table, so excuse the mess. I'm just using this tool to scrape off the gel. I got it in my gel nail kit, so I'm sure you could find something like this at Sally's, or you could use an orange wood stick, but if you are going to use a tool like this and use this end of it, you have to be super careful not to scrape off too hard. If you get in there too deep, it is going to scrape in the middle of your real nail and it will hurt and you can really damage your nail. So just be careful with that. After I've scraped off everything that I can, I'm going to take a file. This one is a 100-180 grit and it will get the rest of the gel off. You also need to be careful while you're filing not to file too much because it could really weaken your nail, so you want to be careful with that and make sure that you're getting the gel off that you need without doing too much of your natural nail. So now I'm just going to get the rest of my nails off and file them, and then I'm going to push back my cuticles. Okay, now I'm going to grab my buffer. This is going to help soften the nails again. It's going to get rid of any of the grit from all of the filing, and it'll help your nails look and feel a lot better. Alright, now that you're done buffing, it's a perfect time to cut your nails or shape your nails and get them just how you want them, and then you'll be finished. Alright, now that I have finished all that, my nails are done. I am going to reapply gel polish, otherwise I would probably put on some clear nail polish or something just to make them look nice. And you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching.